Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the right paper and 2 pens so ink behaves predictably. This matters because bleed ruins composition. Once done, pick 3-5 short quotes that fit a single page and trim long phrasing to key clauses. You'll draw light pencil guidelines for margins, center lines, and spacing. These prevent squeezing later. Make your first strokes with a fine pen, outlining letter shapes slowly to set rhythm, because steady guides make lettering consistent and quicker on subsequent passes. Now you develop each quote's letter forms and balance weight across the page. You should map emphasis zones where bold or script will sit, so the eye moves naturally. This is why contrast matters. Once sketched, execute thicker strokes with your brush pen or marker, applying pressure on downstrokes and lifting on upstrokes for clean contrast. Make sure to step back and check spacing between words. Adjust with small corrections or a white gel pen for highlights before committing to final ink. To finish, let ink dry completely and erase pencil lines gently so letters stay crisp. Patience prevents smearing. Then add tiny flourishes, decorative borders, or a color swatch to accent mood. Do this sparingly so the quote remains legible. If you run into smudges or uneven ink flow, blot with tissue, wait longer, or switch to archival ink because pigment inks resist smearing. One troubleshooting tip: when letters feather, move to heavier paper, 100 plus GSM, or use a finer, higher quality pen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.